Before you jump into starting a parasite protocol, you need to set yourself up for success, not only by opening your drainage pathways, but by starting with the foundation of your health, which is your cellular health. So what does it really mean to start with our cellular health? Well, your cell membrane is the brain of the cell. Everything happens on your cell membrane, and your cell membranes are primarily comprised of phospholipids. The outer membrane of your cell is about 50% phosphatidylcholine, and the inner membrane is comprised of phosphatidylethanolamine, phosphatidylinositol, and phosphatidylserine. Now let's use the lymphatic system as an example as to why we must address our cellular health prior to adopting any other protocols to support drainage. Our lymphatic system is comprised of vessels and ducts, and these vessels and ducts help the body to eliminate waste. Well, these vessels and ducts are comprised of cells. If you're an individual who feels like you've done everything, you've tried every protocol, you've seen every practitioner, and you are exhausted, remember that the key that unlocks the door to health is supporting your cellular health. This is the foundation to our health.